Good evening to all. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Uh, Good evening to all. It gives me a great pleasure to warmly welcome you to the 14th National Research Workshop on AI in Healthcare in Education. I would like to invite Ms. Lavanya, Admin, SK Research Group of Companies, to deliver a welcome address.
Good evening to everyone. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the 14th National Research Workshop on AI in Healthcare and Education, organized today, 20th June 2025. This workshop represents a confluence of two of the most impactful domains of our time, healthcare and education, empowered by the transformative potential of artificial intelligence. We are indeed indeed honored to have with us distinguished research person, Dr. BOOBA Ma'am, Professor, Department of School of Applied Computing and Emerging Technology at Vels Institute of Science and Technology, Advanced Studies, Chennai, with a deep commitment to research and innovations. Dr. Booba Ma'am brings a wealth and knowledge and expertise that promises to enrich our understanding and spark meaningful discussion. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It is a powerful force reshaping how we teach, how we learn, how we diagnose, and how we heal. Today workshop is a timely opportunity to explore these exciting instructions and to gain insights that can lead to more informed, intelligent, and inclusive system. Thank you all, and once again a very warm welcome to all.
Thank you, Lavanya. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank, thank you, ma'am.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Good evening to one and all present here. I am immense pleasure to welcoming you all for the 14th research workshop of AI, Healthcare and Education. My heartfelt thanks to SKRGC Academy management members to give the opportunity to share my views and thoughts. Thank you. Thank you once again. So I'll talk about my topic is in AI in healthcare and education. So in this nowadays the emerging trend technology, it's AI intelligence. So that artificial intelligence is the about what is that artificial intelligence? That artificial intelligence is the technology that enable the computers to perform the variety of advanced functions, including the ability to see, understand, and translate the spoken and written language, analysis, and analyze the data, make the recommendations, and more. So first of all, I'll tell about that artificial intelligence. Nowadays, we are using the booming word. It is called that artificial intelligence. So the artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence. It's a process by the machine, especially for the computer systems. So examples, what are the AI applications or in the emerging field? The first one, it is called as the expert system, and another, it's a natural language processing and speech recognition and machine learning. These are the main area it emerge into that artificial intelligence techniques. Okay, so in that one, so who is the father for the intelligent method? So the John McCartney is the wide considered, it is the father of artificial intelligence. So it is coined in the artificial intelligence in 1956. It is created with laying the foundations of that field. He organized a Brampton conference on artificial intelligence in 1957, a pivot in the history of AI. So first he introduced the artificial intelligence methods and techniques in that conference only. So afterwards, he developed the Lisp programming language, which became the AI research. So we then the person to do that research, it is based on the AI in the using the Lisp programming techniques. So how that the AI is present? So what is that AI? The artificial intelligence, it is present in that field. So first one, it is a building. So what is it? Buildings based on that artificial intelligence. So one is it is the mathematics, so philosophy, cognitive philosophy, and biology. So first of all, you should know that what is that artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence, it's to the machine to do some work. It is based on the algorithm and the mathematical calculations. So main thing, that is the algorithm, it is based on the mathematical calculation to do the work by the computers. So in this one, the methods to be based on the knowledge-based methods, behavior methods, and subsymbolic methods. Knowledge-based methods and behavioral method, it is depends. So knowledge-based method, it is the knowledge which the particular area, then how we can develop that one to design that one. So it is based on that knowledge-based method. The behavioral method, how it will implement into that particular environment or particular method. So we are using that one. So if you nowadays we are using the natural language processing. So that is the ant-colony behaviors. So these are the base thing. It is based on that AI. So that ant colony and so many nature-inspired computing methods are there. So these methods to be implemented into that artificial intelligence. Okay, so what is the role? It is the main thing, they optimize the results. So we can get the optimized results, then we can accuracy, then we can elaborate that one. So these are the field, then we can analyze that one. Another one, the method, it should be the artificial intelligence. It is a scientific perspective. So scientific perspective, it is a study of intelligent system related to computational process. So how that algorithm will be applied into that method, and we can do the perspective knowledge. So technological perspective, the next one. So building the system that displays the intelligence behavior. So it like a smart systems, we can deliver the smart system, we can create in that based on that smart systems. So these are the things that should be present in the artificial. So artificial intelligence is the main thing to use the building and methods and scientific perspective or technological perspective. This is the 4 methods it should be applied into that artificial intelligence, then we can do it. So what are the benefits? So if you applied into that AI, so what are the benefits? The artificial intelligence is the technology that enables the machine to perform the task that typically require the human intelligence, such as the learning, reasoning, and decision making. So this is the 3 main important benefits to develop the particular models. So first one, improve the efficiency. You can improve in the what way the efficiency, then we can analyze that one. And human errors. So when then and there, then we can have these human errors. So the human errors to be reduced based on that artificial intelligence mechanisms we can apply. Enhance the decision makings. Another one, that efficiency and automations. So this is another benefit. So AI can automate the repetitive tasks, freeing up human resource for more complex work. Another one, improve the decision making. So the analyze to large data set to identify the pattern and make informed the decisions. So potentially faster and more accurately than the human. So improve the decision making is the main role for that AI. So it is to identify which type of pattern we want applied and which type of method we can apply to give the more accurate results. So next one, it is a reduce the human errors. The AI can minimize the human errors by handling the task with the higher accuracy and consistency. So that is the higher accuracy, it is based on the consistency method, then they reduce the human errors to be done. Next, enhanced learning. So that is another method, another benefit. It is learn the data, improving the performance and adapting to the new situation. So what are the new situations? What are the new designs that should be there? So we can analyze the data and to improve the data based on the performance and adaptive. So these are the main research techniques nowadays they are using that one. Another one, personalized experience. So what is a personalized experience? The personalized experience for the individuals by understanding their performance and needs. Another one, it is the what are the need? The personalized experience, it is based on that individuals. So it is how they understand how they are performed to improve their accuracy. The next, increase the productivity. It is a streamlined process. And it is a streamlined process and automated task leading to increasing the productivity. Then next method, it is the safety improvements. The safety improvement, it is used for the real-time monitoring and hazard reductions, improving the safety in the various industries. So nowadays they are using the IoT method to implement based on the safety improvement method to enhance these type of techniques. Next one, cost saving. So cost saving is a reduced operational cost by automating tasks and improving the efficiency. So that is the based on the cost only, then we can analyze to find out the operational cost based on that one. Then we can improve the efficiency, it corresponding to that cost. The new business opportunities, AI can create the new business models and opportunities by automating the process, personalization experience, and providing the new insights. So these are the new methods and new benefits. It should be based on that. So in this one, so artificial intelligence. So what are the goal? So what are the goal for that AI? To create the machines that can perform the task requiring a human-like intelligence. So you know that. So artificial intelligence is nothing but it is based on these three, four techniques to improve in that goal. So first one, it is a learning. So learning that method and to reasoning that one and reasoning how it will communicate and how it will connected with the decision making and everything, and problem solving, which type of algorithm we can apply into that particular AI to develop that one. So next one, understanding the language. So these are the main, that is a goal. This is the four goal. It is based on that AI. So these based on that AI, then we can analyze these type of methods, learning methods. So artificial intelligence, everybody to know that artificial intelligence is containing the machine learning and deep learning methods. So the deep learning, it is the base of the neural network. Okay, so that is the artificial intelligence is, we can see that it is an NLP program, we can solve it, visual perception, intelligent robotics, we can create automated programmings, knowledge presentation, expert system, planning and scheduling, speech recognition, problem solving, and search strategies. These are the main, that is a model we can create and to do that operation. So based on that artificial intelligence, so that machine learning techniques we can apply. See, so many algorithm it applied into that machine learning. Based on that machine learning method, then we can categorize to do that work. So in that machine learning method, then we can use that K nearest neighbors and support vector machines, SVM, KNN, the K-means clustering and decision trees. So principal component of analysis, PCAs. So these are the method to be random forest method. So these are the main algorithm. It should be applied which type of decision, which type of design we can derive, then we can apply that one to get it. Okay, so another one, it is a deep learning technique. So deep learning technique, it is a based on that method to find out the based on that method it applied into that infrastructure also. So that infrastructure, it is based on the neural network structure. So deeply, then we can analyze the accurate values based on the deep learning methods. Okay, it is also it's having the CNN method, RNN method, and GAN deep autocoders. So these are the methods to be applied. It is based on the neural networks. So neural network is the network infrastructure we can apply, and we can deeply analyze that particular design or particular method, then we can analyze. So these are the main concept it is understand into that artificial intelligence. So what are the AI tools? Nowadays we are heard about the machine. There's a lot of AI tools to be applied. Easily we can perform the task and solve the programs in that AI method. So that is the algorithms. It is applied in that AI tools. It is a machine learning algorithm is applied, natural language processing, computational visions to analyze the data, recognizing the pattern. So pattern recognitions, then we can apply some algorithm based on that AI tool, automated process. So these are the main categories to be implemented into improving the decision making across the various industry techniques. So main these are the tools to be applied and where it is used, the training it is used, and the data privacy and security method. And these are the main that is the role. It is the AI tools. So these are the main tools it is applied. Suppose if you get some information in that a chat box, then chat GPT, it is the um, method, the search engines. These are the search engines to get the data. It is based on the artificial intelligence tools. The first tool. And Claude, it is the chatbot tool. And Copilot and DeepSeek. So this is the a chat box tool. That is the, if you want to get any information, it is based on that one, then you can apply. Next one, it is a writing code. If you are writing the code, then we can using the four type of main the tool are used: Cursor, Codiman, and Codo, and Tabite. Then video, like if you are creating some videos and if you are applied in the AI tool, it is used in the AI videos. So Recloud and Runway, Weed, and InVideo. So these are the tools to be applied into that artificial intelligence. And designing. So if you want to design the tool for artificial intelligence, Canva, Figma, and Pixelor and Pixwish. So these are the designing tools to be applied. And research, so Perplexity, Scite, and Recast, and Humata. So these are the tools to be applied for the research techniques. And create your resumes. It is based on that method, a method. Then click resume, resume now, and resume I. So these are the main, that is the creating resume tools are applied. And productive tools. It is notation, Gamma, Trello, and Clockwise. So these are the main tools are applied in nowadays. So next one, it is the online business. If you go for the online business, so what are the method it is used and what are the tools are used? So the same thing, it is these type of tools are used in the business one. If you're creating the ideas, then we can use the Claude and Perplexity Chat GPT. Text to the image, text to change into the image method, then DAL E3 and Leonardo and Midjourney. So if you want to copywriting the methods or copywriting the document or copywriting anything, then you can use the Writer and Jasper and Writesonic. So these are the three type of tools is applied for the copywriting. The designing, Clip Drop and Designify M Designer. Then website, it is used for the framer, durable, and landing site. And video, Clap, Opus, and Hygiene. So if you are creating any type of videos, and it is for the Clap and Opus and Hygiene it is used. Then if you go for the automation tools, so in the AI, it is Make and Zapier and Baddy. So these are the type of tool it is applied into that nowadays in that medias. So what is the future of artificial intelligence? So where it is categorized and how it will categorize. So the future of AI categorized by increasingly pervasive integrations into the various aspects of the life. So impacting the industries like healthcare. So it is impact into that industry based on the healthcare techniques and finance and transportation and some AI-driven automation and enhance the data analysis, improve the decision making. So these are the ways that the various method it to be integrated. Then potentially leading to more efficient process, personalized experiences and new job creations. So, however, the future also present the challenges like ethical considerations, data privacy concerns, and potential workplace displacements. So these are the future intelligence it is applied. So the specific applications. So I will come for in our method. The specific applications are healthcare. AI is expected to revaluations the healthcare by enabling the faster and more accurate diagnosis. Nowadays, it is an emerging technology. It is applied into the healthcare one. So that is we can easily find out the diagnosis, we easily find out the accurate diagnosis based on the disease, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. So this is the method it should be applied, and this is the treatment method and finding the drug discovery. So in the healthcare method and financial. So the next one it is a finance. A is a fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading, and leading to more efficient and secure financial systems. So the A is applied into that applications. It is the more secure and financial methods. Next one, transportation. So transportation area. So the AA is applied, the autonomous vehicle and AI powered traffic management systems to manage the power traffic system, and expected to improve the safety and reduce the congestion and enhance mobility. So these are the transportation method the AA is implemented. Then education. So the education, the AI power personalized learning platform and adaptive tutoring system can improve the student outcome and tailor the education to individual needs. So main thing to improve the studies and improve the outcome of the students level and tailor the education methods to crisp introductions to that particular techniques. The role of human AI. So how that role of human AI, the collaboration. So it is the synergetic work, the future likely approach where the human and AI work together to leverage of each strength, achieve and outcomes that neither could achieve the alone. Augmentation human capabilities. AI can assist the human in decision. So the decision making systems, it assisted by the human to create something. It is a different way to complex structure to be developed in easy way to find out the models. Then provide provide contextually relevant information and augment human capabilities in problem solving and creativity. So it is depends upon the augmentation capabilities. It is making to improve the decision making and the capabilities of problem solving to be improve and creative. So these are the method, the particular one it should be implemented. That is the A rule. So next, that how it will used into that education. So the A is how it will be used and in this education method. So it is education. It is the main thing. It is a personalized learning, an automated administrative task to enhance the overall educational experience. So in everywhere, then we are using that method to implement to reduce the level of the study. Okay, so to improve the scalability of how to read the particular one in easy way, how to learn the particular one in the easy way. So these are the methods it should be applied nowadays based on the AI techniques. So it is create a more engaging and interactive learning environment, as well as provide the immediate feedback to the students. So in this method to improve their studies and improve their knowledge, so everything it is the education. So first one, it is in the education method. So we can see that it personalized learning. What is a personalized learning? AI algorithm can analyze the student data to identify the learning styles and strengths and weakness, allowing the educator to tailor the curriculum and teaching method to meet individual needs. So it is to improve their student study level and improve their strengthen and what are the weakness we have to find it to rectify that one to improve in that particular way. So these are the personalized learning methods to be applied. Next one, adaptive learning. Platform use the AI to adjust the difficulty level of exercise and assignment based on the student performance providing the more customized learning experience. Intelligence tutoring systems can provide one-to-one tutoring and feedback to the student, then addressing the specific learning gaps and provide the personalized supports. So these are the adaptive learning to give the level of exercises and assignments to clear their doubts and to clear that improve the student performance level in step-by-step manner. So this is the main method. It should be applied in the educational one. It is a major role of AA in the educational level. Then automating administrative tasks. It is AI can automate repetitive tasks such as the grading, scheduling, and record keeping, freeing up the teachers' time to focus on teaching and student engagements. So this is the main important role of the AI method. So it is the repetitive task, to be find out then and there in all the level of improving their students' grade. So another one, the AI-powered tool can analyze the student data to identify the potential problems or trends, allowing the educator to intervene early and provide support to students who are struggling. So we can analyze, we can divide. It is based on the category. Then we can improve the individual student level. It is very useful to improve that one. AI can also streamlining the communication between the teachers, students, and parents. So making it easier for everyone to stay informed and connected. So this is the streamlining the communications between the teachers and students and parents to improve their studies and easier way to study that particular. So these are the main, the role of the AI in education. So enhancing the engagement and learning. Another method, the AI can use to create the interactive and engaging the learning materials such as the educational games and simulations. So by the way that they are using the games and the simulated method to learning material to be implemented. So nowadays we are seeing so many YouTube channels are there. They are creating so many material in the different type of ways to easy to understand the concept and everything. So AI-powered chatbot can provide the student with the instant answers to the questions and offer support when they are feeling stuck. So this is the chatbot technique or applied into each and every that is a method. Then easy to find out what they are lagging, the students lagging. It should be find it and to struck where then they can easily come out in that one. So AI can analyze the student engagement data to identify what type of learning materials and what activities are most effective of the different students. So allowing the educators to optimize their teaching practices. So the educator to optimize their methods, then practice in that way. So these are the technique, the evaluation technique. It should be applied into that AI method. So what are the other applications? AI can be used to assist the students with the disabilities, providing them with the access to assess the technology and personalized learning support. So the disability students, it is easy to learn the particular technique and learn the particular technique. It is based on the AI tools. AI can be used to improve the security and integrity of assessments, such as the detecting plagiarisms and preventing the cheatings. So it will secure. It is secured. So nowadays it is the so many methods to easily find to the preventing methods. It is based on that cheating one. Then AI can be used to create the new and innovative teaching methods such as the virtual reality simulations on augmented related one. Okay, so in this way, that is, we have to use that particular one. Next, we'll go for the potential challenges. What are the challenges in that particular AI method? It is important to ensure that AI systems are used ethically and responsibly, addressing the potential bias in ensuring the data privacy and security. So it is a potential challenges. It's to ensure to mm, best method to how we can responsible to take the data privacy and security. AI should supplement and not replace the human teachers, and educators should be prepared to use the AI tools effectively and appropriately. So it is the only that we can analyze. It is a supplement method to get the good results. So AI literacy and training are crucial for both teachers and the students to ensure that they can take full advantages of the benefits of AI in the education. Okay, so this is the main the method it should be applied, and main that is the challenges and in this educational field for AI. Then benefits. What are the benefits? So personalized learning. Already I told it is the personalized learning in intelligence tutoring systems. So automated grading and assessment system and administrative and efficiency. So and language translations, easy to the translate the method in the educational language translations. So it is the tools to break down the language barriers, and it making the educational content more accessible to the students around the world. This is especially valuable in multicultural classrooms or online learning environment. The learning analytics, AI systems can analyze the student data to identify the pattern and insight, helping the educator understand the student progress and areas that may need to more attention. Then these insights can guide the curriculum development and intervention strategies. The learning technologies to applied in the pattern methods and the helping the educators to understand the progress of the students. Another one, it is a main method. It is a virtual reality and augmented reality to create the immersive learning experiences. AI can personalize these experiences, making them more engaging and relevant to individual students. So these are the main method, that is the benefits of educations. Another one, the next the topic is it's in the healthcare. How the artificial intelligence its role in healthcare. So nowadays you'll know that it is all the surgeries. It's based on the AI method. The healthcare sectors, one of them, that AI is going to play a main role to improve the treatment process and finding the disease, diagnose the disease, and it is based on that medical care assistance. The increasing availability of the healthcare data and rapid development of big data analytical method has made possible the recent successful applications of AI in healthcare. So nowadays you'll see that all the research method in the artificial intelligence machine learning algorithms are applied to finding so many healthcare methods. It's a diabetic related diseases finding, and they have to use so many healthcare method. It will be applied in the AI one. AI is also used to fitness tracking devices that monitor the heart rates, sleeping pattern, and walking activities, and helping the user to generate the alerts and exercise accordingly. So the healthcare technique, the AI is doing the important role in that one. And in future, AI can do all the major operations. So next, these are the healthcare list of companies. It is used based on that AI tools. iCarbonX. So they are finding the diseases, they are finding the drugs. So in this way, they are using these companies in the AI healthcare. iCarbonX, then Babylon Health, U2 Technology, Cormet, Bigfoot Biomedical, Pager, Zebra Medical Vision, URMD, and Analytic Inc. So these are the main based on the main companies nowadays. They are introducing the AI method into their healthcare one. then disease identification and diagnosis. So the AI, it is used into finding the disease and identify the disease and how to diagnose the disease. So it is very important role to be applied. The computer algorithms to detect the disease easily based upon the systems, that is the based upon the symptoms. So computer algorithm, which algorithm to be applied and how to detect the easily based upon the symptom to be answering the chatbot, but they must be developed and applied with the care. All there is a AI can diagnose the heart diseases and lung cancer more accurately. An AI computer algorithm using highly quality data prove more consistent and accurate. So pathology in medical field, in the pathology is the medical special, the main, it is concerned the diagnosis of the disease based on the laboratory analysis. So if the blood and urine and tissues, then they have to apply. So these are the main area the AI is applied. The diagnosis and treatment, AI algorithm can analyze the medical images. So if you see that X-rays and MRI, it related to that artificial intelligence techniques to detect the, yes, Varshini ma'am, to detect the abnormalities. It is based on the diagnosis, treatment. It's the tumors and fractures and other health conditions. So they can assist the doctor's bride, providing the faster and more accurate diagnosis. So diagnosis is based on that. It is the X-rays, we can use it in MRI, it is applied. So all the tools are recommended to treatment plan based on the patient data, such as the medical history and genetic information, helping the doctors make more informed decisions. So these are the tools to be applied to finding the which type of disease and which type of the data, patient data. So how it will be related to that history. So all the genetic information to be nook and corner, we can find it. It is based on that artificial intelligence method. Then personalized medicines. AI can analyze the larger data set, including the genetic data, to create the personalized treatment of plan or for patients. This approach is tailored to the individual specific needs, improving the treatment outcomes and minimize the side effects. So it is the tailored method to find out the treatment outcomes. So and minimize the side effects of that one. So this is the AI rolled in the healthcare method. Another one, what is a predictive analytic? AI systems can analyze the patient data and predict the patient health risks, such as a heart disease or diabetics, enabling the earlier interventions that can save lives or reduce the healthcare costs. And it will another role for that drug discovery. So all that accelerates the drug discovery process by analyzing the chemical compounds and predicting their effectiveness. This can help reduce the time and cost associated with the bring the new drugs to market. So in this one, drug discovery to analyze the chemical component and the effectiveness of the drug to be improved by that particular tools using the AI. Virtual health assistants, AI-powered chatbot and virtual assistants provide the patients 24/7 access to healthcare information, reminders for the medications, and even preliminary health advice. It is based on the virtual health assistance. It is another important and it's a major role in nowadays. So robotic surgery, AI-powered robot assisted surgeon is performing complex procedures with the greater precisions, reducing the recovery times and improve the patient outcomes. So this is the robotic surgery to be used in that one. What are the challenges and considerations? So privacy and security. These are the main challenge in that area. Privacy and security, bias of an AI model, and access and inquiry, and regulation and ethics. Privacy and there is a security to protect the data and protect the particular set of data and privacy. It is a major one. Another one, bias in AI model, it is algorithm can sometimes inherit the bias present in the data they are trained. In healthcare education, this is an lead to unfair the treatment, unequal level of opportunities. So access and inquiry. So inquiry that all technologies are accessible to all, regardless of socio-economic status and geographical locations in critical issues. In education, this means providing the tools to understand the student, and healthcare means it ensuring the suitable to access the AI-driven healthcare services. So, regulations and ethics. The use of AI in both healthcare and education, it requires a careful regulations to prevent the misuse and ensures that the ethical considerations are taken into that. So that is the main, that is the challenges and considerations based on that one. So the AI-driven innovations in the healthcare, it is a AI power diagnostics, it is a medical imaging and pathology. So this is the two ways that is the main AI-driven innovations it is applied. Another one, predictive analytic for the preventive healthcare and wearable continuous monitoring. It is this is the based on that one, the doctors and potential health risks to be find out. It is based on continuous monitoring of the heart rate, blood pressures, and other vital signs in real time world. So this is the predictive analytics and preventive healthcare method. It should be used. The IBM Boston Health and similar platforms use the AI to offer the predictive insights, allowing the healthcare professional to intervene early. Another one, virtual healthcare assistants and chatbot. So it is 24/7. Based on the chatbot is used to regulate their patient methods and everything. So health recommendations and contact the patients to health professionals. So these are the things which should be based on the virtual healthcare assistant chat boxes doing. So the same thing it is applied in the personalized medicines and AI-driven development. So I'll come for the conclusions. So AI-driven innovations are creative. It is the transformation challenges in the both healthcare and education. So nowadays it is a tremendous change in that method in this healthcare and education. So healthcare to find the diagnosis, personalized treatment, accelerating drug discovery, it is more that is a role in that healthcare. Education means that is a personalized learning and provide the virtual tutoring and streamlining the administrative works. So this is the major role and major conclusion part for my the talk. The future of these fields will likely see continued AI integration, improving the quality of service and accessibility for all. So this is the main the conclusion method. The summary it is based on that healthcare and education. Okay. So thank you one and all to listen my talk.
Thank you, ma'am. Any queries from participants? Any queries? Yeah, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the valuable session, ma'am. Shall we move to the vote of thanks, ma'am?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for the very good opportunity for me. So I improve my career also. So it is very thank you. Thank you for your team.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I would like to invite Ms. Soundarya, faculty, Lailanekatti Publication and Press, to deliver a vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. I am Soundarya from Lailanekatti Publication and Press. As we come to the close of this insightful sessions, I take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. BOOBA, Professor at Vels Institute of Science and Technology and Studies, for sharing his valuable insightful on the role of AI in healthcare and education. Ma'am, your sessions was truly provoking and enticing. I also thank you to all the participants, faculty members, and organization for the active involvement support in this making to workshop to success. Thank you once again to all. Have a wonderful evening ahead.
Thank you, Soundarya. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all participants.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.